If you have a nose like mine and you get bothered by weird smells on your fridge, this is for you. It's a little cute penguin and you just need to add baking soda in this white part, close it and put it in your fridge. It's that simple. And I'm gonna do it with you so you can see how easy it is. And by the way, the baking soda part, the white part, is like a hard plastic, but the black part is a silicone material. As you can see it over here, open, dump your baking soda inside of it, and then close it, and it's ready to go. Put it in your fridge, and it will absorb any odors or weird smells by a very simple system. It's definitely a cute, fun gadget, and I loved the collab.